Welcome to week 4 of the course. Last week you learned about the sources and mechanisms of unethical leadership, as well as potential strategies for becoming a more responsible leader. Having now been exposed to this information, this week is devoted to deepening your understanding of these issues by giving you the opportunity to develop your own skills and self-awareness of ethical and responsible leadership practices, including those pertaining to ethical decision-making, exercising ethical influence, and ethical reasoning behaviors. In order to achieve these learning goals, you need to complete the following tasks. First, you'll need to read Chapter 6 and 7 of the Johnson Meeting the Ethical Challenges of Leadership text that you began reading last week, which will cover the topics of ethical decision-making and exercising ethical influence. You will also need to watch a short video discussing a novel approach to ethical decision-making and resolving ethical dilemmas, which is also mentioned in your Johnson readings, referred to as giving voice to values. You will have one discussion topic for this week, due by this Thursday, in which you will be asked to apply and reflect on the decision-making strategies or formats discussed in Chapter 6 to one of 7 ethical scenarios of your choosing. You will have one discussion comment for this week, due by Sunday, in which you will comment on one of your classmates' posts on their chosen ethical scenario following the same comment structure as before. In addition to these assignments, you will have 2 reflections and 1 self-assessment and reflection, all due by Sunday. These assignments are meant to get you thinking about your ethical decision-making processes and behaviors and ethical influence tactics. These exercises should also provide you with avenues to begin developing in these areas. The self-assessment assignment can be found in Chapter 2 of the Johnson text. When taking the self-assessment, please make sure not to look at the scoring criteria before answering the assessment questions so that you can gain an accurate and unbiased portrayal of your behaviors. That is all for this week. I look forward to reading your discussion posts, comments, and reflections. Feel free to reach out with any questions.